Stay cool, calm, and collected this summer with the help of A1 Mechanical. We specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of brand name AC units that keep you comfy at home. Why not cool your whole home with a sleek and powerful central air conditioner? Or you can invest in an all-in-one heating and cooling system like a heat pump. And for customers without air ducts, we can set you up with a state-of-the-art ductless heat pump system. We'll even provide quick fixes for systems in disrepair. Our trucks are fully stocked and ready to go. For more information, call A1 Mechanical or schedule an appointment online.